Hi, this is Tom Myers of Anatomy Trains. I'm speaking to you from my farm at my home in Maine in the USA. But in early November, we are going to be in London. I'm so glad to go back to my old stomping grounds of London and to be working again with Jonathan and home. We are going to be doing a course on the breath. We will explore the breath in all its dimensions, but we'll also be exploring fascia and movement and body work. It will be a freewheeling discussion around breath and breathing, be full of techniques, both manual therapy techniques and movement techniques. So this is open obviously to yogis, but to body workers, any kind of professionals, as we really look around and try to gather into one place the wisdom about movement and how we go dispel some of the myths about fascia and stretching and movement and get into some of the details, which I think will interest you. I am so glad to be coming back to London, so glad to be working with home, and I hope you'll join us for our weekend on the breath.